Hello guys, so we are live now, and I think so. And if there is any problem, I am not aware of that because this streaming is going on from this OBS setup, and that timing, the current timing is, I think it's 4:25 a.m. of 6th December, and this is kind of test. Uh, and I'm just testing this stream whether it's going perfectly or not. So now coming to the point directly, and one thing is very important here to see this. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा there is lot of noise that is going on कि market is at all time high and all time high and this that stuff. The market previous all time high was 20,222, whereas the market currently closed where market closed yesterday at 20,855, and it was a very hyperactive move by nifty, and it was around 600 points move from previous high. And although if we look in the today, if we see in the daily chart basis, on daily chart basis we can see this very big spike, and the high of this candle was 20,864. Okay, and the previous candle was also. And if we are going to look at the RSI is also at very high, 86, 80, 83, 84. There is a good spike in volumes too. And more than that, what I'm trying to say or convince here, I'm not trying to convince here, I'm just seeing ऐसा इसमें एक केस इसमें ये भी हो सकता है, देखिए, इफ गाइस प्राइस एक्शन एंड इंडिकेटर आर फंक्शंस, if they really worked, and if people would have been making money from all this indicators and price actions theory, whatever, so whatever they call it, uh, everybody would have been rich by then now. And so that is the obvious reason. In my case also, to be very honest, the result of 5 straight was on 3rd December. 3rd December was Sunday. थर्ड दिसंबर को संडे था, सेकंड को तुम्हारा सैटरडे था, एंड फ्राइडे को तुम्हारी कौन सी तारीख थी, 1 तारीख थी. And whereas I had taken this trade in fin nifty, to be very honest, and let me tell you, there are two stories that I'm going to tell you today. So I had taken the trade in fin nifty. The reason was the fin nifty expiry was on Tuesday, so I had tried to understand it and what mistake I made here, and the mistake cost me lakhs. Although I know that the kind of trader I am, when I take the positions, for example, if I had taken 500 quantities or 600 quantities, I will book the profit and I will shift the same quantity to the upper level with the lower price, so that I will be booking some 80% of that profit from that account. So there was some glitch in Zerodha basically, and that glitch I saw on Monday. So I immediately booked that profit. So first profit that I taken the trade on Fin Nifty, बिकॉज ज़ीरोधा में दो ग्लिच हैं. एक तो वो आउटर जो ओ टी एम हैं, जो कि काफ़ी दूर के ओ टी एम होते हैं, उनको वो अलाउ नहीं करता, इट डज़ नॉट अलाउ ओ टी एम. तो उसके लिए मैंने क्या किया, सो आई हैव 5-6 डीमेट अकाउंट, वेयर इज आई थिंक 1 2 3 4 आर मेजर वंस, and two major ones are still with Zerodha, and third which is with ICICI Direct, and fourth which is with Ventura. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to shift all my money from Zerodha to ICICI Direct and in Ventura. The reason is that on Monday when the glitch was there, okay, so first coming to the OTM, whereas we cannot buy the OTM far options. We cannot buy, whatever may be the reason. I do not care, because I am having a good amount of money, and if I want to purchase anything, then you should allow. You are not my moral guide or something. Okay. And they say there is something rule, so if following the rule, so I do not have any problem with that. So I will switch the amount to direct. So I switched that money to direct, some 7,000 money, 7,000, and I had taken this trade in fin nifty 480, because I was expecting the move, and if the move was in nifty, that move, that relation, the fin nifty will follow up very fast. Okay. So basically, there, if we look into financial services, for example, the stock listed here, the Sriram Finance, ICICI Bank, SBI, and Kotak, HDFC Bank, SBI Life, PFC, Bajaj Finance, SBI Card, Axis Bank. So these are some listed stocks of Nifty Financial Services. And because of expiry, there were chances, okay, there is going to be move. If there is going to be move in nifty, there's surely there will be move in nifty, as per my view. So I taken that trade, and next day I book around 38 or 39 something. The total, the 7,000 turned into 40,000. And what the problem was there, when I squared up a position, and the problem, I don't know is it's a problem, or it's issue with me, because I was using ICICI Direct from long time, but I was not I'm not very friendly with it, because so what actually happened there, what happened, it was not showing the money, and I do not have any cash currently in my bank account, because all the money that I have is in my demat account only. When I need, I just withdraw, because I do not have any, I do not need money on daily basis. So the amount, when you square up your position, the profit is reflected on the next trading day. So I cannot do that. For example, I had 480 positions, 480 quantity in fin nifty. So I cannot just scale up the quantities, or just square up the position and just do that. First thing, that, so with the lower quantity, I went with Zerodha. And second, and what I did, yeah. So and I bought something with some quantities, a good quantity, basically, I think of mid cap on Friday, around I don't think 1,000 something quantities was there, yeah, 1,050 quantities was there, because in one go I bought 750 and 350 while watching the animal movie. So I think it was the day then movie was released. I was in the show of I think 1 p.m. So I traded, actually, and some positions on Fin Nifty. And next day, what I saw, on Monday, what I saw basically, कि भाई एंड 15 मिनट, स्टार्टिंग 15 मिनट तक ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा, ऐप ही ओपन नहीं हो रहा, मेरे सारे लॉगिन पासवर्ड, आई फॉरगॉट एवरीथिंग, आई, बिकॉज यू नीड OTP एंड ऑल द थिंग, and it was not opening. I'm just trying and trying again, and although I was not panicking, because I know there is there is a glitch, it's going on. So from that day, from Monday, I decided that I will switch that money in some other account, and I will go with ICICI Direct or with Ventura. So and after that, what was the point, I was recording this video. So yeah, another point was, I booked around 30 33, and on Monday I booked around, what was the price, I think 40 20 60,000, around 60,000, 62 or something like that. and and that in mid cap, what was that, I was sure when the quantity what I bought, I had squared of that position in 35 or something like that. Whereas the it has gone up to the opening price was 72 or 70, yeah, 72, I think so. So if I would, my plan was just to execute the position, just to square off the all the position at that time. As a market opening, because market open होगा उसके बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे आएंगे, those happened. So वहाँ पे मेरा, otherwise my profit would have been gone up to, it would be much more profit. And because of that nifty mid cap, I had squared the position. तो ये जो है ना, ये when you are dealing with such stuff, you need to prepare for that thing also, that these app and brokers glitches can give you a good loss or can cut to your profit. So एक तो वो चीज़. Now coming to the market, I just want to share this thing because I just want to share, so I'm sharing this because many people have shared, many people have felt this. And now what is the next point here? If we are going to look at USD INR, so this is the spike of 83.55 was made on 22nd November, and there was one spike also. I don't know where was it, was around 85 or something, was something like that. 85 on 1st November. Okay. So this was that case. Now to be very honest, what I'm trying to say, माई पॉइंट वॉज दैट, यहाँ पे जो है ना, इफ बट बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. देयर कैन बी लॉट ऑफ इफ्स एंड बट के इफ मार्केट हैड मेड दिस बिग मूव, आई थिंक 72. ओके, let me just check it out for the sake of it. ये इसमें बड़ा अच्छा. Okay, so this is the case. ये इसमें बड़ा अच्छा. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, so the stream is continue. What I was saying, I forgot everything. The point was, my the core strength is option selling. My core strength is option selling with hedging, and I do that only. And from, I'm in the stock market for last, I think, 4 5 years now, and for 121 to 22 23, if it's for, I think, 2.5 years I'm doing option selling. Yeah, from 2021 March or something. Before that, I started learning about selling, and from I decided. So it was a good uh, theory for me and good strategy for me, because the chances are high. So, and one cannot ignore that the possibility and probability are the main factor in the stock market or anything you do. Okay. uh, and I do not want to make anything something say something like that, okay, oh, you are going to make money from, you are not going to make money, and that is the very honest thing one can say. It will take lot of time and lot of effort and lot of patience. And if you are, what they say, if you are a social animal, then the task will be very difficult. I don't know, maybe, maybe not. ओके, तो इसमें जो पॉइंट है, अभी मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, लेकिन अभी तो मुझको सेलिंग में तो कोई बन नहीं रहा मेरा, क्योंकि इसमें सेलिंग करने का कोई मतलब नहीं, बिकॉज if there is this 2% move that we saw recently in nifty, I'd seen very what, बहुत लंबे समय बाद मैंने इतनी बड़ी मूव मैंने 2% निफ्टी में देखी। एंड वेयर इज बैंक निफ्टी तो हवा में ही बात कर रहा है, इज नॉट टॉकिंग, ज़मीन पे ही नहीं है। बैंक निफ्टी की अगर हम लोग बात करें, सच ए ह्यूज बिग कैंडल, जिसने भी यहाँ पे जो है ना कॉल सेल करे होंगे, उनकी तो समझ लो भाई साहब लंका लगी ही होगी, और जिनकी नहीं लग रही होगी उनकी ज़रूरत ने लगा दी, क्योंकि इट वॉज अ बिग स्पाइक इन द मॉर्निंग एंड गैप अप ओपनिंग है, सब सौदा अपने काटने के चक्कर में गैप ही ओपन नहीं हो रहा। अब मेरा क्या रहता है, मेरा सीन ये रहता है कि व्हेन मार्केट इज एट ऑल टाइम हाई और ऑल टाइम लो, आई डू नॉट गो फॉर ऑप्शन सेलिंग। एंड एट इवेंट डे किस चीज़ को कहते हैं, इवेंट डे किसी भी चीज़ को, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल कोई रिजल्ट है, या कोई पॉलिसी के बारे में अनाउंसमेंट है, या तुम्हारा ये कोई वो है, जैसे इलेक्शन रिजल्ट थे, तो दीज आर इवेंट डे पे ऑप्शन सेलिंग का तो कोई मतलब नहीं बनता। ऑप्शन सेलिंग है के लिए चाहिए शांत मार्केट, जो कि शांत है नहीं अभी इस टाइम पे। एंड अब आप इसमें कहो कि मैं नहीं, माई व्यू इज़ डाउनवर्ड है या अपवर्ड है, जो भी व्यू आपका है, लेकिन व्यू जो है ना इस टाइम पे जो है ना काफ़ी बड़ा रहता है। द मूव इवन इन विच ever direction it may come or it may not come, okay, it may come or it may not come, if it will come it is going to be big, और लेकिन इट इतनी बिग होगी भाई, ये किसी को नहीं पता था, नो बडी न्यूज़ दैट, क्योंकि अगर मेरे को पता होता तो जो मैंने 70 कितना 60 30 90, जो 90,000 का प्रॉफिट जो मैंने किया, वो 90,000 का प्रॉफिट कन्वर्ट हो गया, वो और ज़्यादा लाखों में बढ़ जाता, बिकॉज नो बडी न्यूज़ दैट कि कितनी बड़ी भी मूव आ सकती, कितनी बड़ी नहीं आ सकती। सो in my opinion, what I will be doing with this in this channel, what I'm going to do here, because I do not want to create a fake nuisance कि it is easiest thing or something like that. For me it's not, it will not be easy for you also, and those people are trying to say it's easy, and lots of creator I'm seeing, they are just creator, they are not been trading from the market, and what they are showing, just let me tell me one thing, you, that would be very controversial, or who the fuck cares for that. If you have anything, for example, this is a mouse, this is a golden mouse, or this is a car of 5 crore 10 crore, okay, and if I am showing this to you, what sense, or what is this showing or show off is going to add in your life? This is going to add nothing. In social media, people are showing the life, the side of the part of the life is just fully fake, man, and I don't like it. I would not say fakeness is something, is very difficult thing, one should avoid it. I don't know. One should not know. It's their personal calling. But in this world, people are selling all this stuff. So it may be the requirement of the time. So I should not give a lecture on morality or something like that. But we should talk about the market first. इन मार्केट से व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग दैट इवन डे ट्रेडिंग में जो है ना आप जो है ना स्ट्रेडल की तरीके से काम कर सकते हो। आप पुट ऑप्शन बाय कर लो या कॉल ऑप्शन बाय कर लो लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ क्वांटिटी। तो इससे होगा क्या, ऑन ईदर साइड अगर मूव अगर आएगी तो उसमें जो है ना आपको प्रॉफिट होगा। अब मार्केट एक स्टेबल रेंज में है, अगर एक स्टेबल रेंज में है मार्केट, सो अब हम जैसे अगर देखते हैं कि अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ये दिसंबर में जो रिज़ल्ट आए हैं, इलेक्शन रिज़ल्ट जो है, और क्या पता ये सिर्फ जो है ना ट्रेलर हो 2024 के इलेक्शन का। ओके, 2024 में जो इलेक्शन होने वाले हैं उनका अगर ये ट्रेलर है तो वी कैन सी गुड मूव इन निफ्टी ऑल्सो अगेन। Nobody can predict that too. Okay, because I think 14, 19 and 24 for the 3 consecutive years अगर एक अच्छी गवर्नमेंट, स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट अगर बनती है तो जो हमारे जो वर्ल्ड कंट्रीज़ हैं दे वुड बी वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन टू इन्वेस्ट इन कंट्री लाइक इंडिया। ओके, सो it is it is very good for all of us, but we do not know। अगर ये टेलर था जो 3 तारीख को देखने को मिला तो 24 में तो मतलब इट्स गोइंग टू बी ह्यूज मैन। आई डोंट नो वेयर द निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी विल बी, and and if there is some problem, so on either side we can see that। Okay, so this is the bank nifty chart, and people are saying this price action and this stuff। So if I do not, certainly to be very honest, I do not believe in this indicator or the price action of फलाना ठिकाना theory। मैं सच बता रहा हूँ, I believe in one thing and that is fucking experience, because I had read somewhere कि education जो है ना is very cheap, you can get it any fucking where। And now this is not the time of Google, this is the time of ChatGPT। you can do whatever fuck you want, you can do anything, you can learn anything, you can क्या है भाई, ठीक है। तो व्हाट दिस इज, मैं क्या कह रहा था, आई थिंक आई हैव टू डिलीट दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम ऑल्सो। वो क्यों दी, याद कर दी क्या मैंने, कर दी तो कर दी, बात जो हटा दूंगा, इसमें सही नहीं लगता। ठीक है, नींद भी आ रही है मुझको तो। अब इसमें एक चीज़ जैसे मैं आपको बताऊं कि अगर हम लोग फिर निफ्टी की एक्सपायरी देखें, इट्स ऑन ट्यूसडे, एंड मिड कैप की जो एक्सपायरी इट्स ऑन मंडे है, इन टुडे इज़ वेंसडे, एंड वेंसडे को है हमारी बैंक निफ्टी की एक्सपायरी, एंड ऑन थर्सडे there is I think nifty expiry, and on Friday is sensex expiry, I think so, if I'm not wrong, correct me if I am। So it's more of like the weekly option buying, and option buying will can give you good amount of, it can, there's a saying, fortune favors the brave। you need to be at the right time at the right place। okay, so अपने से उसमें अगर if you want it to be very honest, stock market is a place, it is only for those people who are very, what there is a word, and what I forgot that word, I have to recall that। I am getting into not obsessed, it's for stubborn नहीं stubborn है लेकिन there is other word that we use. Okay, so let us just keep stubborn. It's only for those kind of people. uh, नहीं, we can say for educated people also, because okay, so I think guys, this is from my side. This was a testing video, and if you like the video, do like, not subscribe, not nahi, do like and share, subscribe. Okay guys, good night, see you again. You will not be able to reconnect, your stream will be stopped and no longer will be live. I know that. So what I need to do now, I need